So we got the property line right here, cleaned up all the way to the back. Last pine just got dropped across the front. I'm gonna grind out all these stumps today. Got everything back away from the house. Got big old heavy equipment out here, I love it. I really want to drive this stand behind skid steer, but they said they won't let me. And then all this was like tons of small little trees, a lot of diseases and stuff. We got it all cleaned up, left these big beautiful water oaks that have been here for a long time. One cool thing that I did that I think you should always do is the property line's like actually inside these tree stumps, and this one's old, was dead anyway, so we're gonna get these pulled out. Same thing over on the other side, there was a tree like right in the property line, so the markers were just like all around it. Well, I always want to know exactly where my boundaries are, so getting those out, getting those cleaned up, and we'll get the survey guys back out here, check it out. I mean, these guys did an incredible job. Safely dropped some huge trees. You know, we had this tree was like hanging all over the house. We got trimmed up, trimmed back. Still looks great. Yeah, so the property is clean, and time to start working on the inside.